Tinyland.
Okay.
Mummy and Daddy Pig are taking Peppa, George and Susie Sheep to visit Tinyland.
Daddy, what is Tinyland?
It's a world just like the real world, Peppa, but very tiny.
It will be fun and educational.
Is it real? With real tiny people living in it?
No, it's just pretend.
If everything there is tiny and small, then we will be giants. And we will go, hello, little people. And they will go, giants! I can't wait to get there.
What's the problem, Mr. Bull?
There's no problem, Mummy Pig. We're just digging up the road.
Will it take long?
It will take as long as it takes.
This is big brain time.
But we're going to Tinyland today.
Oh, I love Tinyland. Everything's so tiny. And educational. That's important. Through you go.
Thank you, Mr. Bull.
Thank you.
Stop!
But you let them through.
They are going to Tinyland. That's important.
Welcome to Tinyland, where everything is really tiny. And educational. Feast your eyes on the world of famous places.
Wow!
These are exact copies of real famous buildings, but a bit smaller.
Ooh!
Boom!
Here's Big Ben, and next to it,
Bam!
the Eiffel Tower, just like it is in the real world.
And the pyramids,
Bada
Sydney
bop,
Opera
boom,
House,
pow.
Statue of Liberty and the Kremlin.
But these famous buildings aren't all on the same street in real life.
Aren't they? Well, you learn something new every day.
Ooh! Look at that!
This is the land of water.
Ooh! There are tiny little boats.
Emotional damage!
It. Boats! Boats! Get your boats here!
Nope.
Yes, that is just one of my many jobs.
This looks just like Pirate Island. And there are some pirates.
This is the land of dinosaurs.
Wow!
This is how the world looked a long time ago, before houses and cars and stuff. Here is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Ooh! And over there is a Triceratops.
Very nice.
One is a herbivore and the other is a carnivore. They play together, just as they would
Amazing! This is exactly as it would have been almost millions of years ago.
Bruh.
Where's it going now?
to tiny modern land.
This is like where we live, Peppa. Yes, there are houses and cars and hills and trees and trains and planes and boats.
It's a busy world. 24-hour
Did I really just forget that
non-stop.
melody?
Oh, it's broken.
No, it's not. Look there.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of. Baby so cold, he from the north, he from the Canada. Bankroll so low, I got nothing else that I